Welcome to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, y'all, is not a coupon day. Sorry, but I am bringing you all something different, which there's going to be different things on my channel, which I want to say, yeah, I'm going to say different. It's going to be different things coming on my channel, okay, in the future. But today, I am bringing you a Walmart loungewear, okay? This, I will always go in Walmart and I actually be like, okay, Walmart has some cute loungewear, because you know, when you come home from work, from wherever you're going doing, or you know, if you have your own business and you coming home and you just want to chill, you always want to just take off your work gear, your work clothes, and just put you on something that's really, really comfortable. All right, so I went in Walmart and I was like, Walmart be having some cute, and I mean some cute loungewear. They have cute pajamas and everything. So I'm considering this right now is just a loungewear. This is not pajamas to me. This is just loungewear. So I went and I got about maybe 3 or 4 loungewear outfits that you all might want to look at, and it's really affordable. These right here, this shirt, this says, and I love it, Hello Weekend, because I love to put this on Friday, because I'm like, yes, when I come home from work, Hello Weekend. So this is just $9.97 for this top. It's like a mix and match. And then these lounge pants, which I got them big. I got both of them big because I like my loungewear to really be big on me. I don't like it to actually fit, because when I come home, like I said, I want to be comfortable. So I got these, and these are extra large. So you know, it's really a lot of room. But it's fine with me. But only thing I didn't like is the way it gathers around here. But that's fine, because all I'm doing, y'all, is lounging. So, you know, you got your buttons right here. It's like 3 buttons right here. And I was like, that's really cute. And then you got the little drawstring that you can just, you know, if you want to be cute about it. And then your little shirt. And, you know, and it's kind of like big too. These are extra large. So I got extra large. So you see how it actually fits on you. So if you want to go out and purchase some, then, you know, if you want it big, you can go bigger. Or if you want it to fit you, you can go smaller. Okay, but like I said, this is an extra large. And these have owls on them. And I love owls, so it has owls on them. And then you want to see how it fits in the back. See, I got a lot of room back here. And then on my shirt. But yeah, this right here is a Walmart loungewear. But I did bring you all some more so you can see, not just this one, okay? So let me get the other one. Okay, so this is another shirt that I got, which is the loungewear. And I forgot to tell y'all that is actually Secret Treasures is the brand, okay? This is where I got, and this is a cute one. And I got this in an extra large, and this is $9.96. This right here was actually found on the table. It wasn't hanging up, okay? It was found on the table, and this is an extra large. And you see how big it is? So if you want to just, you know, lounge around, be comfortable, then you know to look at your size. And then also, here is the pants that go with it, okay? I like the checkers. I am a stripe and checker girl. So my husband always tell me, can you get something other than the stripes and checkers? But I have to go back to it. So this is, I got this, and it's a cute little, like the bow. It's elastic for some of you all women that like elastic. It's a nice little elastic. And see? And it looks like it, you know, my height, I'm like 5'4", 5'5", between that height. And it actually goes to the ground. So these are $9.96 also, okay? And the brand is Secret Treasures, okay? So I got this one. And see, it says cuddle all day. And you know you like to cuddle all day. All right, and here is another one. I like the colors that Secret Treasure has. This one says feel good. Feeling good, I'm sorry. Feeling good. And you see, this is also an extra large. So I said I like this. And the way it looks on the back. Okay. And this also is $9.96. Was it $9.97? Let me check. $9.97, and this is an extra large. The extra larges, they run like 16 through 18, and I'm not that's not really my size, but like I told you, I like to wear it in my lounge wear big. And then also these pants. See how the pants are? And these have koala bears on it, and I love koala bears. They are so cute. And it's got the little drawstring also, and elastic. And this elastic is really stretchy. It's real stretchy elastic. And then they have like the gathering at the bottom. This gathering at the bottom is really loose, but this gathering is a little bit tight. So, it's up to you however you would like it. If you want the gathering not that tight around your ankles, or if you want it loose, this is a really cute outfit for loungewear, like I said. Alright, this next one, y'all, has an cocoa. And when it's cold outside, you either drinking cocoa, or people drink coffee all the time. But as far as cocoa, I only grew up thinking that you only drink cocoa in the winter time, or fall or winter. So this shirt right here is really cute. It has a little coffee cups on it, and it has look like it's only cocoa in there. But I thought this was cute, and this was in an extra large also, and it has it on the back. And like I told you, it's from the brand is Secret Treasures, okay? And then on the arms, it has a little gathering also, and it does stretch. It is really stretchy. Then here are the pants. I thought this was a pretty color. This really pretty color. It has like the little gathering, and it has the 3 buttons also that is in the front. And then here's the back. And then at the bottom is stretchy, and this is really stretchy also. So I thought these 3 loungewear, well actually 4 that I have for you all, I thought these was really nice and comfy outfit. Well, might as well say outfits, but loungewear to just lounge around the house when you getting out from work, or coming in from running errands, or getting your kids together, and all you want to do is sit back and chill and watch some TV, or actually read a book, watch some videos, which watching me on YouTube, Miss Nanda. But so this is the things that I really like to do, because once you come home and you taking off your clothes, just think about it. When you take off your clothes, been in those clothes for 8 hours plus, and when you take them off and you're like, oh my goodness, it feel like just a load has really come off of you when you actually take off your clothes. And then once you go take you a shower and put these on, or if you don't take a shower, hey, it's your prerogative, then you put these on, you just be like, whew, I am so tired. And you just lay down on your couch, in a chair, or in your bed, and just chill. And these also was $9.97. Alright? Okay. This right here is not loungewear, but I just wanted to bring this bonus in. This is actually an active, like when you're going to work out, and you just you didn't want to take your coat in there with you when you go into the gym, or if you're outside and you're running or doing your exercise. This little jacket is really cute. You don't even really have to have this jacket just for active, but this is where I found it in the active wear. This jacket is $16.96, and it's an extra large, and it's from Avia. That's where it's from. It's from Avia. And it has a hood on it. So, finding little zip-ups, you don't find hoods that much. And then it has this gold zipper, and I thought it was so nice. That's why I got it, so it, if I wanted to work out, or if I just want to wear it as a nice little jacket, I can. Look at the details on it. It's gray, white, and black. And then at the end, it's a little stretch, but not a whole lot, but it's cute. And then on the back, and then at the gathering at the bottom. You can actually make it tight or you can make it loose. See that right there? You can do whatever you want. And I just got an extra large. I'm not an extra large girl, but I sometimes just like my things a little loose or a little tight. But I thought this was really cute for either if you want to use it as just a regular jacket or if you want to do it for your workout. And it is stretchy, y'all. It is stretchy. So I could have got this in a medium and been fine. Because I'm between a medium and a large. It all depends. So it is stretchy, if you want to go and get it. So that's what it is. All right, well, I could say 1, 2, 3, and 4 loungewear plus my bonus of my jacket for under $100 at Walmart. You cannot beat that at all. So if you're looking for some loungewear to actually just lounge around the house, go to Walmart. Check it out. They have so many different things. They have the loungewear, they have the pajamas, or they even have the little cute lingeries. So just go to Walmart, check out what they have, and if you want it, like I said, if you want it big, you want it tight, you want it fitting, or however you want to wear your things, it's your prerogative. Me, I just like my loungewear a little big. Alright? So, thank you all. And I forgot to say when I first came on here, and I apologize, I want to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Just like my channel, I need for you to hit that notification bell for when it come on. I can bring you things, a lot of things. But thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.